picture of that. Yeah, there's that funny boat. Right along, all along here. That's the spot I want to check. Because my other dinosaur bones are over there. That little point. This spot is along here. A lot of seaweed on it, but I can move that aside and see if there's anything. Oral fossil or fossil shellfish. There might be something here. There must be. During the long ago days, that was boat pier. You can tell by the logs. The logs all stick out there. Yeah, it's one funny looking tug. I don't know. PR. Something for public relations. Maybe it's one of Irving's tugs. Red baseball cap. The eyes and nose. That's a real curiosity. Oh well, goodbye, little tugboat. Oh, little cruiser. Okay, that's enough of this video. I want to start looking around these rocks in front of me and see if I can come up with some kind of fossil. And I got my lucky charm. That is the Micmac Thunderbird artifact. Yeah, this was made by that was made by a Micmac who dwelled here before the white man had even come to North America. Yeah, so I'm going to wear it as a good luck wear it for luck. Yeah. It came to me for a reason, so I'm gonna keep it. Alright, that's enough of this video. Oh. That's one of those great big seagulls over there. He was just flapping his wings. Alright, that's enough of this video. I'm gonna get my search ongoing.